Welcome back to Beautyistic. Have you ever wished you could wake up with more refreshed, youthful-looking eyes? What if I told you there's a product that claims to plump, hydrate, and brighten the delicate under-eye area? Today, we're looking at Skin Chemists Hyaluronic Acid 1% Eye Serum, a product designed to target those stubborn fine lines and puffiness that can make us look a little more tired than we'd like. This eye serum promises to do a lot: reduce puffiness, hydrate, and smooth the skin around the eyes. It's packed with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, and vitamin E. These are all well known for their skin benefits, but how does it hold up in real-world use? Let's get into it. First, the formula is built around hyaluronic acid, which is renowned for its hydration properties. It's a humectant, meaning it draws moisture into the skin, which makes it a star player for plumping and depuffing the under-eye area. In addition to hyaluronic acid, aloe vera is included for its soothing and water-retaining properties, helping to keep the skin nourished and hydrated deep down. Then there's vitamin E, an antioxidant that helps to protect the skin from environmental stressors and promote skin repair. Now, onto the application. The serum itself comes in a sleek, no-fuss packaging. It's easy to dispense, which is always a plus when dealing with eye products. The texture is lightweight but feels nourishing on the skin, with just the right amount of slip to glide over the under-eye area without tugging. It absorbs quickly, which means no sticky residue or waiting around before applying makeup. I tested this product for about a week, both morning and night. Immediately, I noticed a slight cooling effect, likely from the aloe vera, which is refreshing in the mornings when puffiness is at its peak. Over the course of the week, my under eyes felt more hydrated, and the fine lines around the area did seem a little less noticeable, particularly in the evening when my skin tends to look a little more fatigued. However, as much as I like this product, there are a couple of things worth noting. First, while it definitely hydrates and gives a plumper appearance, the effects aren't as dramatic as some more potent treatments. If you're looking for something that can target deeper wrinkles or offer more long-term improvements, this might not be the most powerful option for you. But if you're looking for an affordable, gentle product to refresh and hydrate the under-eye area, this could be a great addition to your routine. Let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, the texture is smooth and light, and it absorbs without leaving any residue. The ingredients are strong. Hyaluronic acid is a hydration powerhouse, and aloe vera and vitamin E are fantastic for soothing and protecting the skin. It also works well as a daily eye treatment, whether under makeup or on its own. On the downside, if you're dealing with significant under-eye issues like dark circles or deep wrinkles, you might need something a little more intensive. This serum works best for mild to moderate puffiness and fine lines. Also, the price point could be a consideration for those on a budget, though it's certainly not the most expensive option out there. When it comes to value for money, I'd say this serum provides solid results for its price. It's not overly expensive, and the quality of ingredients is high, especially for an eye serum. The value comes from its hydrating and soothing properties, which make it a reliable option for daily maintenance. There are a few other products on the market that offer similar benefits, such as The Ordinary's caffeine solution for puffiness, or Kiehl's avocado eye cream for a more moisturizing option. While they all differ slightly in formulation, they all focus on hydration and reducing puffiness, so it really depends on what kind of texture and experience you're after. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sturdy and user-friendly. It's not overly luxurious, but it feels solid and effective. As for longevity, I've only been using it for about a week, so I can't speak to long-term durability. But based on the ingredients, I don't anticipate any issues with shelf life. As for customer service, I haven't had any direct experience with Skin Chemists, but the brand has a solid reputation for quality skincare and customer support, so I wouldn't expect any issues if you did need assistance. So, what's the final verdict? If you're looking for a budget-friendly, daily eye serum to hydrate, reduce puffiness, and add some brightness to your under-eye area, Skin Chemists Hyaluronic Acid 1% Eye Serum is a good option. It's not going to change the world, but it offers solid, consistent results for the price. This is a great choice for those starting to care for their under eyes or anyone looking for a gentle, refreshing product for daily use. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.